Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove picture from data point of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove picture from data point of this chart. Click the data points. Then go to the right button on our mouse and click format data points. Then go to the fill color option, then choose no fill. Then apply this process in another points. Then use solid color. Then close the window and we can see here we remove picture from data point of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.